Yep. All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
So what's the tone? Beat what?
It's going to be a tone, just like race.
Pilots, arm your quads. As we go live on the Tone in less than 5.
I got some strategy going on here.
Hey, shut up.
Only problem with the 533 props, they do not come off.
Cool, man. Your props in my area.
You have to stay at the table so everything's tight?
You can take off loose.
I mean, you're leaving the tool here, so
Okay, that's what I was wondering.
if you want to fly with the loose prop, you can do that.
That's what she said.
Jim knew what I was asking,
Said you're leaving the tool here.
because I was heading.
And Skybound's off first.
Telemetry recovered.
You gonna win twice in one day, son. Let's go. Move.
Now you got to go to the blocks. You got to go to the blocks. You got to go to the blocks.
Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, this is gonna be dangerous quick. Go, Scott.
2 laps. 2 laps. Sky's off.
No, I've been in video.
Oh boy. Line of sight.
Brady's off. Come on, Jonathan. How many put on your belt?
Yeah.
All clear up.
If this goggles were not like 10 minutes from now. Calm it down, Josh. You're good. You're good. You got it.
Skybound 223.9 final lap in first. Final lap.
2 laps.
Lap in 227.1 final lap in second. A Rick Dragon 236.1 final lap in third.
Oh no! Lappin's in the lead. Go! He's coming behind him. Oh, he blew out the cutter. Wow! What a comeback.
Lap in 25.4 in first lap and done with a 2-lap 252.5 result. Skybound 31.1 in second. Skybound done with a 2-lap 255.1 result.
You were coming hard.
A Rick Dragon 24.9 in third. A Rick Dragon done with a 2-lap 301 flat result. All pilots are finished.
How high do you want to go?
Yeah, that is up to you.
For a 1-pack of Iceland, dude.
I went from 50 to 70. I didn't want to mess around. Yeah. And it already messed me up a little bit.